Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. You can see exactly what is happening right now. Just in. We can't release Tinubu's criminal case immigration records till 2026. And due to unusual circumstances, FBI department says. So they have Tinubu's record, but this is why they cannot release it, and they are giving us a full details. Some Nigerians are not happy. Some have said, why are the FBI, they know what to do. These world leaders are the one calling for democracy, yet they are doing nothing about the so-called democracy they are talking about. They know they have Tinubu's criminal record, but they don't want to reveal it to Nigerians until he has successfully, being inaugurated and continue as a president. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. The agencies have summoned to appear in court to show causes why records relating to the Nigerian president were deemed unusual to be released to the public. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's criminal and immigration record in possession of the United States won't be released until 2026. Authorities says in court documents seen by People Glacier. The U.S. Department and Federal Bureau of Investigation cited unusual circumstances for denying the release and record to the public following a Freedom of Information request. The Nigerian authority says even if they release the record, it will not be until at least January 2026 before they can do so. More so, Tinubu is already a president, and there are many things surrounding this. A civil lawsuit has now been filed over the matter before Justice Barry Hallway of the United States District Court of Columbia in Washington, D.C. Aaron Greenpass, an American public disclosure activist, has filed a request to the FBI, State Department of Treasury, and Drug Enforcement Administration, among federal and local agencies, seeking an urgent release of Tinubu's immigration and criminal record. The filing came as Mr. Tinubu maintained in court that he did not commit any crime during his decades-long residence in the U.S. Mr. Tinubu also ascertained ownership of his identity despite strong indication he might have changed names education record in the past, as the certificate indicates Bola Tinubu female. Tinubu's real identity and education record continue to be a mystery and contradicting all he has said, not to explain to the public. For instance, the Nigerian president has said under oath to the electoral officer INEC, while seeking to be Lagos governor in 1999, he attended a prestigious University of Chicago. The university has since spoken about Tinubu being their student. The American University in Chicago State confirmed Bola Tinubu attending the university but has said nothing about the Nigerian president. The Bola Tinubu in their record has F indicating of female, and Bola Tinubu, not Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The document from the school shows that a person bearing Bola Tinubu who attended the school in 1970s was a female. Tinubu also stated under oath in 1999 that he attended primary secondary school in Lagos and Ibadan in the 1950s and 1960s, but he expunged those aspects now in the latest INEC application form ahead of this year's general election, which took place in February. He did not explain why he removed the claim, although there was no evidence that the primary and secondary school he said he attended existed in Nigeria. Mr. Tinubu, 71, was named as a launder of possessor of drug trafficking in U.S. court document in 1993. He forfeited $460,000. The record forms a key part of an ongoing challenges to challenge his election victory currently now in Nigeria. before the tribunal hearing election petition in Abuja. This prompts Mr. Gosper, who run Site, a website that holds firm from American courts and institutes, to file multiple requests to U.S. authorities in possession of documents and could help clarify some of these critical questions upsetting Nigerians' mind about the man who is now the president. The State Department is believed to have records of whether or not the person who applied for a U.S. visa and traveled as Bola Tinubu in the 70s is the same person running as Nigeria's president today. The FBI could throw more light on how Mr. Tinubu became involved in drugs and in the US and other criminal charges that he might have faced, but which were not in public record. The office will not be able to respond within 20 days provided by the statutory number of days due to unusual circumstances, the State Department said in May 15, 2023, letters to Mr. Gosper. Previously, on August the 4th, 2022, FBI sent a message to Mr. Gosper saying, please be advised, the unusual circumstances apply to the process of your request. But on March 22nd, 2023, the FBI said it would try to release all documents relating to Tinubu in his possession, but not until 2026 at the earliest. Other agencies include Department of Treasury, Internal Revenue, Service and Drugs Enforcement Administrations, and will release the document on the ground. FBI also said Mr. Gosper failed to demonstrate a request and why he really needs all this information. The public interest, because it is likely to contribute significantly to public understanding of the operation activities of the government. But the activists promptly responded by detailing how Mr. Tinubu drug forfeiture case in Chicago draw the eyes of his organized website over the past years and what currently is going on now in Nigeria. So this is a reminder of what is happening, that we cannot continue to allow some things to go on without us honestly and sincerely rising up and doing the right thing. Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please don't forget to like us. Please share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can have all our latest news. Let's hear what you think. God bless. Have a fantastic day. Bye for now.